Alright, welcome to another section of the smartphone design training. Right, so in this section, I'm going to show us on how to create a letterhead design. Alright, so in case you don't know what a letterhead design is, a letterhead design is a design that graphic designers create for brands in case they want to send an invitation, they want to write a letter to people. Alright, so that is basically what a letterhead design is. So we are going to create the letterhead design and send it to the brand. Then for them to edit it, they can always edit the letterhead design and put in whatever they want to put in. All right. So the next thing that we're going to do now, we are going to select a size. All right, because the size, a letterhead design size is very different from every other sizes. All right, they have a specific size for letterhead design. So the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to select the size by coming to this icon here. Click on this icon here. Then you come to image size. All right, click on the image size, then come here, then set it to 2480, then 3508. all right, please write this down, then you click on OK. You can see that the size is different from the previous size that we saw here. All right, so the next thing we are going to do, we are going to put in our colors to natural colors, which is white color. All right, so after that, we are going to select a shape. Come to this icon here, then come to shape. All right, so you change the color to this. All right, so let's create a shape here. Now what we are trying to do now, we are going to want to make everything look so appealing, such that it will be so attractive. All right, so we need to put in a shape, and with that shape we cannot add in colors, so we need a shape for us to add in colors. All right, so you copy here and come to this side here, take this one up a little bit, come here. All right, so also do the same here. All right, so you copy and bring it to this side here. So now let's be sure that these elements are well properly aligned, everything are well arranged. All right, so the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to zoom in. All right, zoom in and bring in your alignment. All right, just bring in your alignment and click from this side so that it will stay there. Click here. All right, so okay, just in case this doesn't move, the line doesn't move, you need to click on this one here, click here. All right, you can see now it's moving, but once you click here, it will not move at all. So click here so that it moves. All right, so the line moves. So this is it. Now let's arrange it properly. Click that, then you move this one here. All right, so let's do the same thing here. Bring this one. No, sorry, just click here. Bring the line here. Just bring this one a little bit. Then let it come closer. Let's say they are the same. Okay, I think there's a little bit difference with the space. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to bring in the company details, like the phone numbers, the logo. Alright, before we can now add in colors. So let's go to our gallery. Let's bring in our details from the gallery here. Alright, okay, let's go to gallery here. Let's go, okay. This is the logo that we're going to be using. Okay, so this is where the logo is going to be. Now let's make sure that everything here is properly aligned. So let's align it properly. All right, So what next? The details, right? The details. So I'm going to use okay. Okay, let me use someone's number as an example. Okay. Just hold on. So I'm just using someone's phone number for example because we cannot leave that side blank. All right. So we need to copy. Okay, let's make use of this. Let's put it here. Let's remove the space in between. So let's change the color to black color, and let's change the font too as well. So change the font to either medium. All right. So let's zoom out. Okay, so let's add in let's put in, okay, let's say this is a WhatsApp number, right? So just put in just put in your W, or no, let's look for a WhatsApp font. So you can also get your social media icons from among your fonts. All right, among your fonts. All right, you can always get it from your font, but not all the fonts. There are different fonts. Like this one now is a social media, I think social media something, but I'll check, and just in case you have any challenge, just let me know. All right, I'm going to direct you. Okay, it was WhatsApp before now. Okay, and that one is too tiny. Let's remove this one. Let's copy and put it here. So, okay, bring it here. So let's drag it down a little bit. All right. So this is where the phone number should be. So the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to put in the name of the high impact, the name of the brand. Okay, high impact youth. All right, initiative. High impact youth initiative, right? What was this? Okay, I think the font is still. Let's change the font to. Changing it to medium. Okay. Okay, let's finish with this one, the details. Let's finish with the details first. So here we are going to put in the social media handle, all right? Social media handle, which is Facebook and IG. Facebook. Okay. There should be the fonts. There should be the social media icon, right? I don't want this video to be long. I want to do as much as possible to round up. Okay, just this one is okay. So let's change the fonts to Facebook. Okay, just bolding the fonts a little bit by coming to this side here. bolding it inside here. They change the color to black. Then drag it, come here, and put it here. And put it here. Reduce it a little bit. Then copy, and next one is IG. Alright. Just come down here. And copy, put it here. So the reason why I'm creating two social media handles here is because since I don't want to put in too much space. I don't want the space to be too much there. Alright, so let's reduce this one to let it be the same size with every other element. So take it up a little bit, and this one to reduce it and drag it to this side. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to put the name of the, okay, let's try and space this out. I want to space this out since we need something that we can put beside our logo. Alright, so this is what I was trying to say. So we just put it here. Yes, so this is where it should be. Alright. So next we are going to do now, we are going to add in colors. We're going to add in colors to these shapes that we've created. We're going to add in colors. So we are going to pick colors from this logo here, by clicking on this icon. Just click on the icon, then come to this place here, click on it, then come to colors, then pick, just click on any color, just put your hand there and pick from any color there. Alright, so this is it, right? Yeah, we're going to use another different color, which is orange color, so we don't need to just pick from here. So that's it. Do the same thing from the other shape too as well. The colors and change it to orange. Sorry. Alright. So let's change the social media icon to blue. Blue. And this one to blue color. Right. So now, normally this is where the address should be. The location of the brand, the event, all right, this is where it should be, right here. So we don't have access to that. We don't know the name of the locations, so we don't need that. All right, we don't need that. So we just send it like this to them. All right, then they'll be the one now to add in their duties and every other stuff like that. So this is a letterhead design. So let's say we want to put in a text, then let's just do something. I just want to show you an example. So, all right. So let's put this one here. So this is where the text should be. Right here. Right here. Then the address should be here. Then here should now be best regard. Best regard should not be here. Best regard. They're now putting Daniel Peter. Alright, just put in Daniel Peter there. You can see that it's well aligned, right? So this is how to create a letterhead design. It's very, very, very simple. You can use a different method though, but you can see that everything is following the hierarchy. Everything is following according to the principles, all right, according to how it should be. You can see the alignment. You can see the alignment is like the X alignment. You can see everything is symmetrical, right? It's symmetrical. You can see from here now, from this side here to this side here, you can see everything is symmetrical. From here like this, then to this side is like X. So this is how to create a simple letterhead design, right? So if you have any question, please do send them to me. I will explain further. Thank you very much.